What's up, legends? Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of pure automotive power, luxury, and next-level machines. If you love bold cars and beastly performance, you're in the right place. This is Channel V8X. Let's roll! Today we're diving into one of the slickest luxury SUVs on the road right now, the 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition in glossy black. This is not just another compact luxury SUV. This is a statement. It's built for drivers who want elegance, muscle, and modern tech wrapped in one dark, aggressive package. The first thing that hits you is that deep, mirror-like black paint. On the 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition, this color isn't just paint, it's an attitude. Every curve, every edge, every line reflects power and precision. Volvo took its already beautiful XC60 and turned it into something that feels straight out of a luxury action movie. From the front, the XC60 Black Edition looks confident and fearless. That signature Volvo grille, now blacked out, combined with sharp LED headlights, gives this SUV a strong, commanding presence. It looks like it owns the road before it even starts moving. Slide over to the side view, and you see pure balance. The glossy black body flows smoothly from front to back, sitting on sporty black alloy wheels that make it look planted and ready to move. This angle shows just how athletic the 2026 XC60 Black Edition really is. Not bulky, not soft, but perfectly sculpted for speed and comfort. Now look at the back view. Those iconic Volvo LED taillights glow like red lightning against the dark black paint. The rear of this SUV is clean, modern, and unmistakably premium. It's one of those designs that looks just as good pulling into a 5-star hotel as it does cruising down the highway. Open the door and step inside, and the luxury continues. The dashboard in the 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition is sleek, high-tech, and beautifully designed. Digital displays, premium materials, and ambient lighting wrap the driver in a cockpit that feels both futuristic and comfortable. Everything is placed exactly where you need it, making every drive smooth and stress-free. Under the hood, the engine view reveals what this SUV is really about: power with intelligence. Whether it's a turbocharged or hybrid setup, the XC60 delivers smooth acceleration, strong performance, and impressive efficiency. It's built for American roads, long drives, and confident passing on the highway. From a drone view, the glossy black XC60 looks absolutely stunning. You can really see how well-proportioned and aggressive it is from above. It's the kind of SUV that stands out in any parking lot, any city, any landscape. And when you see it on the highway, that's where the magic happens. The 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition moves like a luxury beast, stable, quiet, fast, and smooth. Whether you're cruising or pushing it, it feels in control at all times. At night, this SUV becomes pure drama. The black paint reflects city lights, the headlights slice through the dark, and the whole vehicle looks like it came straight out of a high-end action film. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition is expected to start around $55,000 to $60,000, depending on the trim and options. And for what you get, the design, the technology, the safety, and the prestige, it's a powerful deal in the luxury SUV world. Studio microphone, ending, channel call. That's the stunning 2026 Volvo XC60 Black Edition in glossy black. If you love powerful luxury SUVs, make sure you stay locked to Channel V8X for more epic car content. This is Channel V8X, where performance meets style. See you in the next one, Oncoming Automobile Fire.